right? Yeah.
Hey guys,
Hey.
what are you guys doing?
Making some prom invitations.
Oh, how cool. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. They're so cool and we're making them, but he's not even taking me to prom.
You're not going to prom, Leo? Why not?
Prom just so overrated. Who wants to go to prom these days?
Oh my gosh, Leo. Prom is the biggest dance party at the end of the year to celebrate the juniors and the seniors graduating. It's only the most important part of a high schooler's life here in America. You have to go to prom. It's the big party.
Sure.
And it's even in this cool place in Newport Beach, Balboa Landing.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's where my prom was when I was in high school.
What?
My god, that's so cool.
Oh my god, that sounds so fun. I'm going to prom.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you gonna ask me and it's gonna be fantastic and amazing and huge and everyone's gonna know about it?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, okay, when are you gonna do it?
Would you go to prom with me?
No, try again, try again. That's not what I expected.
Oh.